It's challenging. You know, we've 50 plus years, same location, same owner, same name. Some people go, wow, that's a pretty dramatic change. We tried co-branding for the period of time, and that's not a good thing. It's very confusing to your consumer, very confusing to the insurance company, very confusing to your employees. I am convinced that one brand and a brand that has a footprint bigger than my own is the way to go. It's a tough thing to say, a tough thing to do. It's not easy, but I have no question about it. I think the fixed name, the logo, everything about it is much more marketable than our old name. You do have to reach out to all your customer base and make sure they understand it's the same people, same everything, same owner. There's some challenges there, but I think they're good challenges, and I think they make you look at your visibility in your community. Something that you may not have been doing for the past umpteen years because you've been here for 50 years.
So I called a couple of insurance companies and said, look, I'm opening a second store in Indio. Will you be able to give me an opportunity? And they said, oh yeah, go ahead and open, and then we'll talk then. So you open Indio and you call them back and they said, oh, well, we're not looking right now, but let's see, we're trying to work with the MSOs. Nobody knew me, nobody knew Henry. Nobody knew who Henry was, but once we turned into Fix Auto, I was able to contact the insurance companies that I was dealing with before, and I said, look, I have 2 locations now. We're part of the bigger group. We're Fix Auto. We're Fix Auto. Is there anything? Oh, you're Fix Auto now. I'm like, yeah, we're Fix Auto. Oh, then you know what? We're gonna sit down and talk about this now. Now they have interest. Once I said I'm Fix Auto, they had interest in me now. Once I joined Fix, it really helped me put myself back on top, what I wanted to be.
There's a fraternal feeling at Fix Auto that you get. Other owner-operators who care a lot about the business and pursuing excellence, and each other helping each other find their way. Whether it's troubleshooting a problem in their business or finding a better SOP that fits better in their work environment or shop layout, things of that nature. So you benefit from the sum of a lot of people's brain power and experience and wisdom, and the fraternal feeling. You don't feel alone. You feel like you have a chance to fight through these challenging moments in your business, in your life, through the help and support and insight of other owners and operators. And I found that to be, over time, the most compelling and most interesting aspect of my membership at Fix Auto.